now we continue with our formatting. As you see, I completed this part now. And second, I'm going to hide these columns for the moment. And I'm going to do the following. I'm going to just select this part here like this. I repeat the last command. Okay, and again for this one, select F4. Okay, then I'm going to, I selected this calculation before. This one is equal to here. I'm going to make it equal to KPI4, like this, and this one equal to the last one. Okay, drag this. Okay, then I'm gonna select this format painter. I'm gonna make this, then I double click to keep the format. Here we are. Okay, we created a now I'm going to make this part over in a different color, make it smaller as small as possible. Okay, I'm gonna make it like this, and this I'm going to conditional formatting. Okay, manage rules. I created a rule. If I have an integer of column D10, okay, where D I'm going to, okay, and here is column basically. If this, the column of this divided the column of to the 𝗏 column, okay, I'm going to format, okay, fill with this one. Okay, so you can see here I formatted this. I'm going to, if I'm going to, so by product, if I'm going to select this one, format the conditional formatting of this, then I'm going to conditional formatting of this, I'm going to format this of course is, and then the conditional formatting of this is going to be the same for this and for this. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, so we lost something here. Conditional formatting the $10, and here is $10. Okay, and then the format is this one on this. So this applies to D10 until R19. Okay, so you can see here now I'm going to color this when I select all the area. I didn't finish this. Okay, this one, edit border none, only outline, this color outline. Okay, like this. Then you manage as you want this part. Okay, so we created already a table with some indicators, and we already perform our formatting. Okay, we already created a chart which has some formatting, and we are already on the right point. Here we can also type KPI dashboard. Okay, and we can also input a legend. Okay, we can also use a picture, or here I have this one, just a text. If you have some images, you can also work with objects. Here we are. And then you just try to center position like this. Okay, so we created our legend already. Okay, here we are. And okay, I'm gonna group this as an object, move it down, small this, select this part like this, outline border, and this is going to be moved a bit. Smaller, and then you can also decide to change the color of this part, put it like this. So we created now the first part, and we're going to create the other. Created the main part with the ready buttons. Here to show or not show the target.